In this video, I'm going to show you a very unique recipe of waffles in which I have not used any waffle maker, and this recipe is 100% eggless. It is a very unique way of making waffles which you would not have seen on YouTube or anywhere, but yeah, I cannot say what would happen after this video. In a bowl, take 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida, add 6 tablespoon powdered sugar or pisi hui chini, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, then add 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of salt. Give everything a good mix and then start adding milk. So this is warm milk. Total 1 cup is the quantity of milk which you're going to need for this recipe. So keep adding a little milk at a time and mix with your whisk or your spoon, and then add melted butter. So add 1/4 cup. If you do not have butter, you can also use ghee, melted ghee. I'm using salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter. So this batter looks perfect. You just need to whisk to remove all the lumps. So this is the right consistency, looks perfect. Here I've got an appe pan or appam pan. It's a non-stick one and I'm not applying any oil or anything to this pan. At this time the flame is low. Spread the mixture all over like this. So keep adding a little batter at a time and make sure with a spoon you spread the batter well so that all the sides, the edges are covered well with the batter. So carefully observe the way I am doing it. Now at low flame you need to cook this for 2 minutes by covering it, and after that remove the lid because we don't want a lot of steam inside. So after 2 minutes remove the lid, keep it aside and keep cooking your appam pan. Because my appam pan is wide compared to my burner size, so I'm just rotating it all over the flame so that the sides also get cooked evenly and not just the center. So just loosen the sides, but it will not take a lot of efforts because if your appam pan is a good non-stick pan, the waffle would come off very easily. You can take a chopping board or a plate to flip the waffle. Look at this beautiful waffle. It's looking like bubble waffle. The waffle is crispy on the edges and the center where the amount of batter is little more, I mean in the appam cavity, there it's nice, soft and spongy and airy. You can see I'm able to balance it on my one hand. It has come out really well, holds its shape, crispy and soft in the appam cavity, just amazing. So just clean your appam pan again with a cloth and repeat the same process. When you're pouring the batter in the appam pan, the flame should be low. Cover for 2 minutes and then remove the lid and then cook it open like this. So basically you just need to repeat all the steps, all the instructions which I have already given. These waffles look amazing, nice and crispy. So I've got some batter with which I can make one more such waffle. So the appam pan which I'm using is 9 inch in diameter. I'm dividing this waffle into 2 parts. Now put some chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache if you have in one half like this, and then in the second one, and then place the other halves on these two. Along with chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache, you can also serve these waffles with some ice cream, or if you want to skip chocolate syrup, ganache or anything, you can just serve these waffles with some honey. Here I'm putting some sprinkles and grated cashew nuts. These are optional. So basically you can serve these waffles the way you want, with something sweet, some sweet syrup. So this was one very unique way of making waffles, eggless waffles, without using any waffle maker or sandwich maker, with our very own appam maker or appe maker. You wouldn't have seen such recipe on YouTube before. Let me know in the comment section, what do you have to say about this one? Give this recipe a try and enjoy!